Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Hussain Bolaji, I am Professor of Community Medicine and working in Israel University. Today is our topic, public health nutrition. The aim of the lecture are objectives. At the end of the chapter, the audience will, our students will be able to define nutrition, understand the science of nutrition, and then is the describe the nutritional requirements and the guidelines, understanding the nutritional needs through various stages of development, and comprehend the nutritional assessment and describe food processing and identify the nutritional concerns related to the health. So this was you can see that the red or the brown in Pakistan comes here, and most of the African countries or the southern countries, even if you see Pakistan, India, and if you see Afghanistan, they are more red. So Pakistan has a nutritional problem of 20 to 30. 24%, and you can see that the red spots and these brown like spots are more, and then comes the yellow and green, the western countries, Canada, America, and other countries are there. So this shows that how the cycle of the nutrition is there, and this is basically a food plate. You can see that the carbohydrates or grains are 33%, and then is the vegetables 33%, and then comes the protein and minerals and other, they are at a smaller portion. Then coming to this side, you can see that we have a half of the either bread, rice, potato, and other things, then the vegetables and fruits, and then comes the meat, and then the dairy products, and the fat is in this portion. So this shows the proportion of the daily requirement. For the development, the Sustainable Development Goal, commonly known as SDG, which are to be achieved, you can see the goal 2 refers to the hunger, which is basically, you can see that here it is poverty, and then goal 2 is hunger, and then is the health. Coming to the food pyramid, you can see that the pyramid is a triangular shape, and you can see that almost most of the portion of the pyramid is from the grains, and then vegetables, and then milk and yogurts, and last is the use of other fats and vitamins. This shows the flood picture and Parker area also, where the malnutrition is there. This is basically from the flood affected areas. So we can see that the diarrhea was one of the major problems in Sindh during the floods. We reported cases of 372,000, and in Balochistan they are about 130,000. And then you can see that this is the position and how zinc and other ORS and anti-diarrheal material was distributed, which prevented a major catastrophe. So the diarrhea is one of the important malnutritional cause in children and the cause of death. And the ORS is one of the remedy which not only control the dehydration but reduces the intensity, and so as a consequence the malnutrition is. So you can see this picture from the flood affected area, how the mother is in front of the home, and this is another picture coming to the global hunger index, which is the latest one, that shows that the various countries, this index is developed for 107 countries, and 88th is the Pakistan's number. Only few countries are behind the Pakistan, so we are at the bottom of the hunger index, the worst figure is there. So this was basically taken that 37% of the population is food insecure, and this number is about 200,000 or 200 crores. And you can see that the global hunger index is 24.6, and that should not be more than 9. So this shows that Pakistan is a serious serious problem of hunger, and we must. This is the agriculture and the whole vast expanse and the geography of Pakistan is so beautiful, and many crops in Punjab and Sindh and NWSD are grown, fruits are grown. And why this hunger is there? It is a system or some policy issues that must be taken, and that ultimately the worst form of malnutrition, worst form of the disease severity. And you can see this is the taken from the available digital sources. So 24.5%, and the hunger index is becoming worse and worse. It should not be more than 9, but it is 2 times more. This is another plate which you can see, and here it is focused that water is important, as well as you can have all the hygienic and food preparation, storage, and all the points are important before you take the food. And nutritional fact sheet also shows that 54% of the children or any disease is associated to some extent to the malnutrition or nutritional imbalance. So coming to the how to eat and how to keep the food hygienic is important. You can eat what you like, but it should be in the moderate and proper hygienic. It should not be processed, but it should be natural and homemade if available. Then coming to the, you can see that this is a child of the Western countries. Health is good, and the mission of the public health is to assure. Then the leading causes of the death of some of the research, they also show the malnutrition and other causes also. So leading causes once again, and causes of death, they are shown and compared. Ecological approach, you can see that nutrition is ecological question. If the environment is not supporting, then the nutritional problem cannot be addressed. This is another chart. This shows that how are the functions of public health in which the assurance and access to the health, including the nutritional supplies and nutritional availability, is important. Research is important. If you see the kind of graphs, they also show that the nutrition is in the limelight and discussed many times. With this, I think you can understand that the daily caloric requirement is between 2,000, 23,000, 2,300 to 500 calories per day for an adult, and for the children it is to some extent less, but they should be given frequent. Nutrition is the problem of Pakistan. The hunger index, global hunger index, puts Pakistan in a very difficult position, and the prevention is that we should have a good crop, nutritional crops, as well as storage, cooking, and other facilities should be there, and even the hospitals, the ready use RT food must be ready to use food must be supplied for the children, but mothers and the community should be educated on the nutritional issues. Dr.